Hi everybody, are you ready to create? Today we're going to look at the artist JMW Turner and how he painted rainbows and beautiful watercolors with reflection. I'm going to show you how to get a reflection. So first you need to fold your paper in half. So put your fingers in the middle of the paper and then fold it and then open it again. So you have to open it again. And your fold line is going to be your horizon. That's where your rainbow is going to sit. You start with violet and then indigo, and make sure it's really wet because we're going to need to have it quite wet in order to work. Don't worry if the colors bleed a little bit into each other. It's going to be nice. It's going to blend the colors. Then we had blue, then green. Again. And if you want, you could do like Turner, just half of the rainbow. I'm doing the full rainbow, but you don't have to do that. It's up to you. Yellow, orange, and the last color. Oh, I'm adding a bit more orange. Last color is red. And there we have it. Our colors of the rainbow. And notice again how I'm using quite a lot of water. It's quite a wet rainbow. At the bottom it's going to be our river or lake or sea, and so I'm adding a lot of water and a little blue, but a lot of water on all the bottom half of the paper. Make sure it's really wet, otherwise it's not going to work. And then you fold the paper again. See, there's all my wet paper. Fold it again and press. So use your hand to rub it. And everything's shaking. I'm rubbing it. And then the reveal. We should have a reflection on our lake. Let's see if it worked. Now don't worry if it doesn't work, you can do it again. Well, hey, it's worked. We have a reflection. Brilliant. Here's our rainbow with reflection inspired by Turner using watercolor. Now if it doesn't work, don't worry, you can just do it again. I had a few goes at them and had some better and some less good. Have fun. Bye.